remote RF LoRa door contact sensor with a range of up to 6 kilometers. Using the LoRa mode, you can in real time wirelessly monitor doors, such as in hotels, windows, or other opening and closing devices via RF Solutions RIoT magnetic door contact sensor. When used with RF Solutions Mini Hub, the user can monitor the status of a door or window on a smart device or PC via the internet anywhere in the world. Alerts can be set to trigger notifications and also directly activate a local RF receiver relay that is linked to a signal lamp or any such loads. The sensor can be powered by either two AAA batteries or via a 5 to 15 volts DC permanent supply via a through terminal.